Since 2000, TORUN has been serving global customers in Europe and Asia. It is a global company that produces hot forgings, low and high pressure castings, as well as CNC machine parts from brass, aluminum and stainless steel. TORUN's success pillars on its management system, investment strategy and highly qualified human resources. TORUN offers sustainable products with high added value for its business partners, produced in its facilities in different countries. As a strategic business partner, TORUN meets the demand for metal parts in heating and cooling systems, automotive, fluid control systems, energy and other sector applications. With the adoption of modern and customer-centric corporate governance principles, TORUN has implemented a future-proof institutional structure. Center of Operations in Germany. A global manufacturing company with facilities in Czechia, Italy and Turkey. With fully integrated and SAP-supported processes, TORUN handles the entire management, production, order and resource planning in the best interests of its customers. We provide value to our customer at the product design phase by contributing extensive engineering knowledge and production know-how. TORUN R&D Center designs with simultaneous engineering methodology and simulates every process step in detail. Robot automation is a key technology in our efforts. TORUN produces forging tools and casting molds, machining and automation fixtures, as well as cutting tools in its own facilities. It secures uninterrupted production and maintenance with dedicated machining centers and complementary equipment of different abilities. State-of-the-art in-house cutting tool manufacturing enables TORUN to react at the shortest possible time to production demands. Continuous improvement activities secure technological leadership. State-of-the-art low-pressure die casting and core blowing machines. Fully automated gate cutting, deburring and polishing processes. TORUN utilizes presses of various tonnages with a high level of automation and is able to produce parts with different weights and shapes at optimum cost. High-volume parts are produced on the Hartebur line at a speed of 10,000 pieces per hour. TORUN's CNC machining centers, CNC transfer machines and CNC lathes are perfectly matching our customers' requirements. The machining department is able to choose the most suitable production method and machine for the part from a broad range of machines. TORUN is offering its production quality to all business partners. Our quality laboratories with a wide variety of CMMs, contographs and roughness measurement devices guarantees best measurement compatibility with our customers. We know that quality is a value produced and not only a control operation. Our quality system and audits are according automotive standards. Using statistical process control guarantees high quality of our products. We continue to pursue our success as a company that makes a difference in the sector with our quality, honesty, leadership, strength of unity as well as respect for each other, our customers and our environment. TORUN knows that its employees are the most valuable treasures. TORUN campus provides training for its personnel. TORUN's foremost importance is the health and safety of its employees. Accordingly, a safety first is safety always concept has been adopted. All orders are tracked by the planning department and the transport organizations are carried out with minimum costs. As a global company, our products have touched over 3.5 billion people all over the world in their daily lives. TORUN is your partner for integrated solutions. We are part of your success.